Cheesesteaks for cheapskates, that's what this is. What do you do when they don't have the nice rolls for Philly cheesesteaks? You could use hamburger buns. That's what I did right here. Check this out.
Partially freeze your steak about 45 minutes. Now, take your steak out of the freezer and slice that up into thin ribbons. Take your onion, dice it up however you like. Here, I like to cut the onion in half, give the halves 3 horizontal slits, and then chop from above.
Ah, my eyes.
This gives me nicely sized squares. Now, heat up your pan or skillet to medium-high heat and add your cooking oil. Once heated, add your onions and saute until nicely golden, about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the onions are fully cooked, empty your onions out to a plate and then add in your sliced steak. Add salt and pepper to taste and stir fry until it's cooked through. Once your steak is cooked through, add in all of your onions and mix it all thoroughly, combining with the steak. Now, take a toasted bun, top with cheese or cheese sauce, and top it with the desired amount of steak and onions. Take your completed cheesesteaks and place them in a warm oven for about 5 minutes. Now, remove your cheesesteaks from the oven and enjoy immediately.
Tender ribeye, sweet onions, nice and cheesy. Not a true Philly cheesesteak, but you'll still love it. I guarantee that. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. YFP out.